In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to change app permissions on your Android device. Now, for this video, I'm using a Samsung S23, so please keep in mind that the process for what I'm about to show you might be a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you're using. Now, this process works for any type of application that you have on your mobile device. In this case, I'm going to use Snapchat as an example. So in order to go into the permissions for Snapchat specifically or any other application, all you have to do is simply hold onto the icon and then click on the little I button right here in the top right corner. And from here, you can see permissions. I'm going to click on that. And at the moment, you can see all the allowed permissions and all the permissions that are not allowed. Now, in order to change the permissions, all you have to do is simply click on the permission that you want to change. So let's just suppose I don't want Snapchat to have permissions to use my microphone. I'm going to click on microphone, and then I can either permanently not allow Snapchat to use my microphone, or I can get it to ask me whether I allow it to use my microphone every time I log into the application. Now in this case, since we don't want Snapchat to have any access to my microphone, I'm going to keep it as off. Then all I have to do is simply back out, and as you can see, the permission has already updated. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about changing the permissions of different applications on your Android device. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help.